Hey, everyone. I hope you're doing great. I've got a best XSTORM D1S D2S to share today that's just too good to keep to myself. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. Let's start with the craftsmanship. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And the price? Let's just say it's a total win. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. The best thing is how handy it is. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable and efficient. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, they are selling out quickly. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.